Will the bullish trend in AMP continue in the upcoming months? Would AMP token fail in the coming months and years to recognize its potential? The current AMP crypto price forecasts are high for cryptocurrency analysts. Since it's available on Coinbase, this Ethereum-based digital token is taken off. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know more about the latest updates. Welcome back to our channel. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the earliest update. With all that done, let's get right into today's video topic. AMP crypto is now a key topic in the social media discussion. Whether it's for Twitter, Reddit, or Discord, AMP's growth is driven by crypto communities. The Ethereum blockchain is a collateral token. AMP token is built explicitly on Ethereum and used to secure payments to the Flexa network. This allows for more secure and instant crypto payments. Flexa network is the world's most fraudulent evidence payment network. It is fully regulated and used for digital transactions alone. For multiple reasons, the currency AMP crypto price forecast is optimistic. It is now in Coinbase. That alone is a significant reason for growth, but it is equally essential to use on the Flexa network. AMP token acts as a security for Flexa network payments. There are therefore no costs to cover if a payment on Flexa takes too long or fails altogether. In addition, the AMP token is fixed. This is important as it helps to reduce volatility, for many cryptocurrencies have become a significant issue. As of August 2, 2021, AMP was valued at approximately $0.06751. But by the end of the year, many analysts think it could hit $0.30. Many AMP token investors are convinced that it will soon hit the mark of $1. Is AMP crypto an intelligent investment? The AMP crypto price provision is optimistic for most analysts. Many new investors seem to be interested in investing in AMP. It is expected that AMP crypto will be a real investment opportunity if the trend continues. Currently, the AMP token has a high potential, much like the other cryptocurrencies. It's as hot as ever and flourishing in the crypto market. New crypto starts taking over news headlines and is getting a lot of recognition. You may therefore want to keep a close eye on its collateral token. Now, let's see how to invest in AMP crypto, which is listed on Coinbase. The popular application gives you the chance to know more about this collateral token while you're getting AMP. The token is skyrocketing with access to it on Bitmart and Coinbase. Traditional investors have long discussed AMP crypto's potential. It is certain that in the coming years, this debate will surely continue, but the crypto market is here to stay. To sustain in the current market and the latest trends in cryptography, one must get to know all the latest updates and market trends. Also, many experienced crypto experts offer daily insights and tips to the latest movement of cryptography. This year, AMP crypto saw a healthy increase in value. And with access being easier than ever, there is reason to be optimistic about the future growth potential. But in this period, not all tokens have been on such a tear. In fact, AMP crypto decreased its value. In September 2020, it was traded around a penny per token. It was trading for just a fraction of a cent over the next 4 months. The trading volume wasn't very large. But with increasing amounts of money being sent to crypto markets, the altcoins started gaining a lot of worthy attention. And that's been like rocket fuel for AMP crypto holder portfolios. Although many exchanges offered access to AMP crypto already, it got a boost when it was added to one of Coinbase's favorite exchanges. And there is a good reason. Being listed in Coinbase has provided a significant hype in the value for crypto. For 2 reasons. This is a big deal. 1. The team has to undergo a comprehensive screening to be listed on Coinbase. Obviously, the AMP crypto team passed this test easily. Secondly, the ease of use of Coinbase means that now AMP access is available for those who are not ready to jump through the necessary hoops on the other exchanges. That is why we see massive growth in the volume of trading. And if more people look for AMP crypto for their wallets, the basic supply and demand rule should be sufficient for you to know that the values must increase. The point for most cryptos doesn't really care for many investors. You just want to make more money out of your investment, but it helps search for a purpose for cryptos. Essentially, Bitcoin is dollar competition. This and helping to launch Bitcoin's point in the era of blockchain technology. That's why we saw El Salvador adopt Bitcoin as a legal bidding. It's also interesting why some governments ban Bitcoin. Some countries don't like the contest. But not all cryptographies are built for currency competition. The Tailcoin crypto team has started to disrupt the sending industry and to make sending money back home cheaper and quicker. While these objectives are possible, not all of them have yet been fully achieved. However, one reason for adoption is a valuable asset to pump up acceptance. AMP Crypto's team has a very highly thought-out reason for its future value to be increased. Simply put, this token is intended as a collateral asset, used to reduce payment fees and prevent fraud. It can make cryptography of all kinds safe, cheap, and usable for dealers if implemented in full vision. AMP Crypto is attempting to lead to widespread acceptance with an emphasis on the use of the cryptocurrency's currency aspect. As the AMP Crypto mission spreads, this in turn is expected to cause increased value and reduce volatility. And it's easier to understand the team's effort in order to make the foundations as flexible and forward-looking as possible when speaking more directly about their future plans. This goes far in the crypto space and should help ensure potential investors realize that the crypto space has been seen for a long time by AMP Crypto. This makes it interesting to consider keeping an eye on how it moves in the years to come. Though there is no true crystal ball, it's not out of the question to have a generalized AMP Crypto price prediction, though it's a fool's will to stick to a certain price in the next 2 years. AMP Crypto does have much to justify. This is in itself sufficient reason to consider adding it to their crypto portfolio to medium to long-term investors. Even if we don't all benefit from AMP Crypto, there is no less reason to try to make some money out of that. AMP is a token designed to secure payments through the Flexa payment network. This means that AMP collateral can be wiped out to cover the costs if payments by Flexa fails or takes too much time to be confirmed. It's an Ethereum token that bids Flexa on payments. AMP has an important use case. AMP is expected to be adopted more as long as the network Flexa attracts users and patrons. AMP was established in the year 2020 and began trading in September 2020. AMP was not able to crack $0.01 until February 2021, while January made a profit. It was mainly because it was difficult to buy. Investors who wanted to purchase AMP could not find them on any of the major exchanges, which caused considerable damage to credibility. Despite the difficulty purchasing, AMP was still believed to grow. In early February, the price of the asset started an increase that for the first time crossed $0.05. Then began another consolidation ending in May. AMP reached a peak of $0.069 when May struck a downturn. The AMP price tried to overcome the storm, although on May 6 it fell sharply and on May 23 it fell by $0.02. Though we have heard a lot about Amazon getting ready to accept crypto payments, which is not yet confirmed. However, to help with this, it needs a network. With Amazon accepting cryptocurrencies or not, news getting viral, investors are hoping that there is a good chance of AMP rising in the near future. Please note that nothing mentioned in this video should be seen as financial advice. This video has been made in the interest of spreading infotainment and shall not be considered any otherwise. And as we all know, the crypto market is a very highly volatile market, so by the time you watch this video later than it was posted, be aware that the prices must have switched to a whole new level from the ones mentioned above. Also, before investing, please do your own wide-spectrum research and consult a finance guru for the best of financial and investment advice. Well, with all that said, we are finishing the video here. Hope it was entertaining. Do not forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon right beside as well to always stay updated. Alright then, catch you all in the next video.